Then looking at the front end, that replacement bumper looks mean. You can see the hood definitely has seen better days. Headlights are faded. Got an awesome set of wheels and tires though. Got the metal fender flares. You have some damage here, some scratches. But I mean, this thing is absolutely perfect for taking off-road and just enjoying it and having fun. Got a gash here, some cracking paint, typical scuffs and scratches. Like I said, almost brand new wheels and tires it looks like. Got the soft top. Absolute perfect toy for somebody wanting to go have some fun and not afraid to roll it or run into a tree or gash it up. Got the steel bumper here on the back. Got the shackles, LED lights, dual exhaust. This is a brand new tire. Overall, that top looks really good. Wheels and tires look amazing. As you can see, typical scuffs and scratches. Got all the steel components under here. I imagine somebody's gonna have a lot of fun with this one. And looking at the door panel here, it is manual. Overall looks good. Of course, you're gonna have your wear here. You got the nice all-weather mats. Got some seat covers. The seats underneath though, they are tore up. Got all the storage up here. Steering wheel cover. I imagine the steering wheel itself is pretty wore out. Got the nice upgraded screen. Then here on the passenger door panel, of course, you got your typical scuffs and scratches. Got some wear here. The seat cover looks good. Imagine underneath the seat probably has some wear though. A little notch out of the seat belt here with some wear. Missing the cover. You got your typical scratches. Little scuffs and scratches on the plastic. Otherwise though, this would be a really fun toy. You can see the liner here is ripped. Overall though, that engine bay looks good.